Okay, today we're going to read the story of The Little Raindrop, written by Melanie Joyce. Little Raindrop. When I was a raindrop, I lived up in a cloud. One day thunder rumbled and boomed out very loud. Come now, little raindrops, get ready to let go. You've got important work to go down in the world below. A flash of zigzag lightning streaked across the sky. "Ooh!" cried the raindrops. "See you later, cloud. Goodbye." They jumped into the air, and I jumped with them too. "Have fun," said Cloud. "I wish I could come along too." What's happening?
It's raining.
Down and down and down we fell, giggling, shouting, "Whee!" Oh, what fun to be a raindrop flying free. From high up in the sky, we saw the earth below. Sunbeams shone through us and made a lovely big rainbow. After that, quite suddenly, I landed with a splat. I dribbled down the tail of a soggy farmyard cat. I seeped into the soil, trickling down and down, past pink wiggling worms far below the ground. I saw a friendly mole who was digging by some shoots. Before I knew it, I'd been sucked into their roots. I traveled slowly up the stem. It was quite a climb. "Hello," smiled the flower bud. "You're here just in time." "This way," the flower told me, and then it opened wide. What a nice surprise to see my raindrop friends inside. We had so much fun sharing stories of our day as the warm sun shone slowly set and the light faded away.
That's what made me tired.
We tried to count the stars instead of counting the sheep, but the petals were so comfy that we all fell fast asleep. When the morning came, the sun shone hot and bright. We all felt quite peculiar, sort of shaky and light.
Dude.
What's happening to them? Where are they going to go? Look. Slowly we drifted upward. There was no way to resist, for I and all my raindrop friends had turned into a mist. "What's happening?" I asked, floating higher with the crowd. The others laughed and said, "We're going back into the cloud." They go. They're evaporating. They're evaporating. Can you say evaporating? Look, welcome back, said Cloud. "I hope you all had fun. It's time for you to rest. Now there's lots of sun. But soon the wind will blow again and turn the weather vain, and you'll have more adventures Next time it starts to...
Go.
What's going to happen again? After they're in the cloud, what's going to happen again?
Find a muddy puddle.
Rain!
Rain, I made a muddy puddle.
Rain again!
I made a muddy puddle.
And make lots of muddy puddles to jump in. Okay, and that was the story of Little Raindrop. Let's say bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Bye!
Bye.